So what is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, today's video is going to be pretty different. You saw the thumbnail, you saw the title and you might be wondering that how is this title? You have to leave your country for owning the Pixel 4 and that's reality because Google Pixel 4 is not at all coming in India. Just there are a couple of reasons which make it not come. And guys, personally I would say that Google has done the worst decision ever. This is not at all a good decision. You know, it's just a little more like partiality, but not just partiality. It was problem due to few restrictions allotted by our government. But in today's video, I'm going to be discussing that why is the Pixel 4 not coming in India. This is very sad news because guys, India is 1.3 billion people's population, and if Google would have put this Pixel 4 in India, they have increased their sales a lot. But guys, what is this problem and why is the Pixel 4 not going to be coming in India? So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all, I will tell you that what is this feature which is not making the Pixel 4 come in India. The feature is its motion tracking. Okay, the whole big upper part of the display, or you can say as a big bezel, that is the main problem behind this. And let me tell you why the problem is because Google has put the gesture controls. Okay, you just swipe your hand in front of the screen, you just look aside from the screen, the display goes off, and just when you point your vision towards the phone, it just pops the brightness to the original again. So there are lots of cool features for swiping, just forwarding the music. You have to just do like two of like this gestures, and there are lots of gestures and you can also customize those, and this is the main problem why it is not coming in India. And guys, just because it is not as per the standards, okay, you can say like it's just something like just putting a camera in a device. Just say like putting a camera in a child's toy and just giving him for a cheap price and later on just spying on that kid, and that is what exactly is this thing. Okay, this is actually the problem which Indian government has faced with this smartphone, and hence they are not giving Google the permission or the rights to start the sales of this smartphone in India. And I would just say one thing here, that this is really ridiculous, and I would say if this is not meeting our policy, Google, please listen to us and make a smaller version. Okay, make the Google Pixel 4a. Okay, every year Google introduces the Pixel 4 and 4 XL, and also it introduces the A series of their models. So if guys, I would just say that Google not for going for the radar mechanism, but just opting for a simple display and a simple same like unibody design, and just giving what Indian consumers want. And the Pixel 4a is going to be definitely hit if Google will somehow or the other manage it to put it under these restrictions. And I would just say it's not actually making any sense. Okay, India is like, it has 1.3 billion used people, and just the sales will be drastic if they will include here. Okay, they are just talking like they are, it's in short, Google is like, it's not going to be selling this product in 1/7 of the population, and that is what an impact is like. And sorry for this background noise, but guys, let me tell you one thing here, that Google is definitely not doing it as we wanted. And guys, that's just the only thing. The 4a should not have this problem, and they should start its sales in India. So if you have liked today's video, if you have liked, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you want like this more content, just stay tuned on our channel. Guys, I'm going to be uploading lots of videos today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, until the end of Diwali vacations. So you will also love, you will also enjoy, and my goal is to complete 2,000 subscribers before the end of Diwali vacations. I know it's a big deal, but I know that if I'm going to be consistent at my job, definitely any goal can be achieved. And also like today's video, and also if you want to support our channel, don't forget to subscribe it, and also leave a comment that what are your thoughts, and are you excited, and what are your thoughts regarding Google not selling the Pixel 4 in India. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,